Hello people. Here we are going to find out a sum of n digits of 6 raised to the power 2 plus n digits of 8. So 6 till n digits, right? So let's simplify it. So we can factorize it, right? That is 6 into 1 till n digits, right? Now what we can do next? So let us analyze all the numbers made by only 1. So our first number is here 1, that way it is simply 1, right? And if it is 11 we can write it as 1 plus 10, right? Next is triple 1, right? That is 11 plus 10 square. And now 11, in the place of 11 we can write this one, right? 1 plus 10, so plus 10 square. And if it is 1111, so we can decompose it as 111 plus 10 cube, right? So now in the place of 111 we can write this one, right? So that is 1 plus 10 square plus 10 cube, right? So from here what we can say, if a number that is only containing 1 and 1 is n times, so that is 1 till n digits, okay, we can write it as 1 plus 10, right, plus 10 whole square, right, plus so on, and what will be the last one, that is 10 raised to the power n minus 1, right? Because look at this number, when there is 4 times 1, okay, the last power is 3. So similarly when the number containing n times 1, the last power of 10 will be n minus 1, right? Clear? So we can write this one as 6 into 1 plus 10 square, right, plus so on, plus 10 to the power n minus 1, right? So 6 into, now look at this expression, this forms a sequence actually, and this sequence is called geometric progression, okay, where the sum is calculated as a into r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1, okay, where a is the first term, that is 1 here, and r is the common ratio, okay, that is 10 here. Basically if you divide one number by previous number in this sequence, you will give the common ratio. For example, the third term is here 10 square, right, and the second one is 10. If you divide, this is 10. So this is the way we calculate r. So according to this formula, this expression gives us sum as 10 raised to the power n minus 1 over 10 minus 1. Here it should be n because there are total n terms. So let's write it here. So this is 6 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 over 10 minus 1. So that is 6 over 9 into 10 power n minus 1, right? But our first term was 6. This way it is up to n digit, right? Per 2. And what is the value of this? That is this one, right? So let's put the value of it. 6 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 whole raised to the power 2, right? So that is simply 36 over 81 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 whole power 2, right? And guys, the second term was 8 till n digit, right? So that is simply 8 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1, right? So if we add this one and this one, we'll get our target sum, right? So let's just add them. So our target sum is 36 over 81 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 whole square, right? Plus 8 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1. So let's take 10 raised to the power n minus 1 over 9 as common out, right? So remaining terms are 36 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 plus here 8 only, right? So 10 raised to the power n minus 1 over 9, this is 36 over 9, that is simply 4, okay, 10 raised to the power n minus 1 plus 8, right? And now from here we can take 4 as common out, so 4 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1, okay, into 10 raised to the power n minus 1, okay, plus here 2 left. So that is simply 4 over 9 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 into 10 raised to the power n plus 1. So now look at them. They give us formula of a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square, right? So 4 over 9 into 10 raised to the power 2n minus 1, right? Because here a is 10 raised to the power n and b is 1, okay? So a square, that is 10 raised to the power n whole square, it is simply 10 raised to the power 2n, right? And b square is, that is minus 1. So this is our answer. So I hope you guys like this video. If it is so, please consider to subscribe my channel. And let me tell you, if you are JEE main and advanced aspirants, then this channel will definitely benefit you. So stay tuned with this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind.